The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Dear everyone, what's up? I have something big to share with you in this video that, if true, could have a huge impact on both XRP and Jasmy. We'll try to explain it in the video, but you should definitely keep an eye on it. As always, hit that subscribe button and let's talk about this. As always, make sure you're on the lookout for breaking news in the cryptocurrency industry by turning on notifications. I found a particularly intriguing tweet and would like to share my thoughts on it. In light of this, what are some traders planning to do? So, to recap, we'll begin at the beginning. This post suggests that Ripple will invest in Jasmy, according to Dip Metaverse. By the end of summer 2025, if they haven't already, you can label me crazy, according to it. In stating that Ripple believes they could invest in Jasmy if we fail, he is making a brave claim. A new Ripple fund will target blockchain startups in Japan and South Korea. At the current pricing, the fund will invest 1 billion XRP, which is approximately $475 to $500 million. Now that we know Jasmy has been expanding in terms of relationships, we can see why our CFOs brought up South Korea and other Asian countries as being involved in Jasmy's company. In the meantime, Rip Puff has met God, as we all know, because they announced a massive takeover of a corporation just now. Digital assets play a significant role in Japan's national plan, and they have a standard charter, among many others. XRP is involved in this. It appears that there are just a handful of well-known blockchain companies that they can invest in through exchanges. Nevertheless, there may be conflicts of interest in any other situation. So, let's talk about Japan for a second. I'm aware of 3 Japanese crypto projects. Jasmy GT is one of them, along with 2 others, that have joint ventures with Ripple. As I mentioned before, we already know that SBI is a node validator on the XRPL for various collaborations. In addition, establishing a Japanese Ripple and establishing links between the two, Houston kindly brought to our attention a few days ago the fact that, as a result of a law passed in Japan, Japanese venture capitalists are permitted to invest in blockchain startups. A collaborative venture exists between SBI and Ripple, and Jasmy enjoys cordial connections with both SBI and Genki. Again, ODM, keep in mind that Jasmy and SBI are partners, and Ripple and SBI are as well. Thus, there was definitely some sort of triangle of these guys coming together. Additionally, keep in mind that all of this occurred under the tax break regulations in Japan, which led to the complete adoption of cryptocurrency there. A fascinating picture begins to take shape, but in the photo below, Hansa even says that Genki Oda was Jasmy's instructor. It has been said that the Winklevoss twins were instrumental in Jasmy's listing on Bitcoin in the fall of 2021. Japan has some of the most blockchain-friendly regulations, so we'll begin there. By East, they mean Asia. Plus, Ripple seem to agree with this. Japan is highly systematic about planning everything concerning the implementation of legislation and the transition to crypto and blockchain settings. As the front row jazz MIMers perform, the adaptable Jasmy will take center stage. This article's prevailing opinion also holds that in 2022, the year of crypto assets, Ripple will create its new fund to support blockchain innovation. Experts in Japan discuss the true worth of cryptocurrency once more, this time focusing on Genki Oda consumers. Soto, and once again, this is impacting SBI. That is incredibly fascinating. Also, as I mentioned before, this might have tremendous implications for both Jasmy and XRP if it turns out to be true. And there are a number of signs that this might be true. Keep in mind that although our hopes that Jasmy would be associated with Ripple have so far failed to materialize, that doesn't imply they weren't valid. You should always exercise caution when making assumptions unless we have concrete evidence. A lot of people's hopes and dreams are riding on these marketplaces. We will be doing other investigations, although this seems to be the first. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring you any new information as soon as we find it. What does that imply for Jasmy holders at the moment, though? It has been performing some incredible job, and now there has been a major jump in trade volume, a 110% increase in the past 24 hours, skyrocketed about 5 million, making it the 54th largest cryptocurrency by market size. In the near term, we'll keep an eye on the charts to see if we can break through a key resistance level and continue rising towards the 4-cent mark. However, on a larger scale, Jasmy might try to break through and go even higher. Take Bitcoin as an example. Its value has recently fluctuated between $66 and $687,000, and I can see why a lot of people are curious about its potential future. What is Jasmy doing at the retest point? It's slightly lower than yesterday, when it was riding high on the strength of a stellar green candle. Holding in the 3-7 range is a smart move. When you examine the chart at a higher magnification, you can see that Jasmy has already done a similar move. Consider the next step that Jasmy must take. Similarly, XRP has substantial future potential, and all of these collaborations are paying off. Ripple has previously revealed their true USDT. Coins that are steady, like USD, are embarrassing. People are currently very interested in Bitcoin ETF, which is launching the Ethereum ETFs first. However, in the background, there are a number of altcoins, such as Jasmy XRP, and companies like Aerodrome Finance and Casper, all of which are planning a major move in the near future. It's up to fate to choose the outcome. You won't want to miss a thing, so be sure to click the notification bell and read the description thoroughly. However, you'll get it first here on the Tube of Crypto channels. Please share your opinions on our upcoming token launch. Advanced traders in this market will not want to miss out on the great trading opportunities we have in store. Is there any truth to this? On the other hand, is all about Jasmy and XRP just a wild goose chase of speculation? Would you mind sharing your thoughts on this? I'm quite interested. The video ends there. Support my channel with a like and a subscription. Muchas gracias, depart.